I gotta confirm it with Miami because they're the ones that entered into the system.
Okay.
Before you make these statements during the questioning, okay? If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence of a marijuana vape pen, okay? So unfortunately, I do have to place you under arrest. It's a felony to be in possession of fraudulent driver's licenses and
Welcome to Police Crimes Watch, where we examine actual interactions with law enforcement to learn about the circumstances, motivations, and results. We're looking at a case from July 7, 2022, in Florida, where Officer Hanton stopped a car that had an abandoned record. Initially appearing to be ordinary, this halt will shortly reveal some unexpected information. Let's get started with the narrative.
Listen, this is not messy compared to what kind of cars I see on a daily basis. You're fine. You're good.
Officer Hanton saw a car make several odd lane changes that July evening. She looked up the car's tag number out of suspicion and discovered that it had been reported as an abandoned vehicle. The owner might not be aware that the vehicle is still marked in the system, and this warning usually suggests that the vehicle may have been towed or abandoned without adequate follow-up.
Have you been pulled over before?
I have been.
Oh, okay.
Back in 2018.
Oh, okay. I just didn't want you to be, like, nervous.
Oh, no. I'm okay.
Okay. I had people cry.
All the
time.
cried last time.
Yeah.
I was speeding, so I got
okay.
arrested for that.
To obtain a better view, the officer parked her car behind the car. She chose to perform a traffic stop as soon as the vehicle changed lanes once more. The Volkswagen stopped when she turned on her lights and siren.
You hang out with her.
Can I ask why you guys are searching the car?
she asked.
Okay.
Do you vape or is it
I do.
bad for you?
I know.
You should not vape. Do you use like flavors or?
Yeah, it's just been.
Hey, ring.
Oh, thank you. My dad gave it to me.
Very nice. Just get off work or working out or?
No, I just got a haircut. Actually, I work at 4. So.
Oh. And I wish it would cool off.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's when I get into my car, because in my driveway, the sun just beats right down in it.
Sun visor.
I do have one in the back seat. I just always forget when I'm coming from work to put it up.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I do not.
No. Do you ever smoke weed?
I have.
How long has it been since you smoked weed?
I smoked yesterday.
Did you? You don't use it in your vape, do you?
No, I don't.
I'm still waiting to hear back. We sent the confirmation out to Miami to have it removed from the system. I'm still waiting to hear back if they had it done yet. Now you know not to park in front of a fire hydrant.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God, my dad was fucking furious. It's just an eyelash brush.
You got a lot of these.
Yeah, I get my eyelashes done, and she gives me some every time I go.
Like, dang, what are these?
Yeah, they're just for my eyelashes.
Yeah, I bet your car gets really hot.
Oh my God, I can't.
When the officer discovered 3 phony identification documents in the driver's handbag, the situation became more serious. Despite being under the legal drinking age of 21, the driver admitted that they were made so she and her college pals could go to bars together. This was a crucial time because having false identification can result in serious charges, particularly if it is used for underage drinking.
I didn't even touch my steering wheel.
Huh?
She read anything or no?
No.
I did have a weed pen in my car,
You have a weed pen?
and I really.
Hold on. Alright, if we're going to talk about anything like a weed pen, I got to read you your rights, okay? Doesn't mean you're under arrest. It doesn't mean you're under arrest. It just means I have to read your rights. We're going to talk about it, okay? Alright, you have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions, okay? Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given, okay? You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements during the question, okay? If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements during any questioning, okay? If any time during the interview you do not wish to answer the questions, you are privileged to remain silent, do you understand? I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement simply of your own free will, do you understand? Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. Did you understand those rights? That's not a weed pen, right?
No, it's not.
That's just your vape pen?
It is.
Why do you carry it right there?
I usually don't, but I had it in my lap when I was driving, and I didn't have anywhere to
Yeah,
put
she
it.
said she has a marijuana pen in there,
And had fake IDs.
and you have fake IDs.
They are mine. They're in my name.
For what?
They're in my name. They're mine.
Oh, you had these made up.
They were ordered.
So you had them made up.
Not me personally, but
What do you mean not you personally?
my friend made.
You asked your friend for that? This is like...
Officer Hanton gave the young woman some advice near the end of the interaction. Even though she was ultimately placed under arrest, the police gave her some helpful advice. Stay away from circumstances that can cause problems, such carrying phony identification or illegal drugs. Let this be a lesson, remarked Officer Hanton. You shouldn't possess THC items without a valid prescription, and you shouldn't have phony identification.
People don't usually just...
No, I know. Yeah. Okay. I was just saying I didn't physically make the order. But yes.
Yeah, you went there and asked them to have them made. You got 3 of them? Or just some more?
No, there's only one.
Do you have a tester?
Yeah, I do. 44.
Okay. So, what was the deal with those?
They were in my purse.
You know, I get the obvious, but what's the, like, what are they for?
I don't know. I have them. My friends got them because we're all in college, and they wanted me to come and visit them in college.
How old are you?
I'm 20. I'm gonna be 21 in 6 months, 5 months.
The marijuana card or anything like that?
Where did you get it from?
One of my friends.
Your friend ordered, like, your friend bought it for you?
Yes. I don't know.
Sounds like your friends do a lot for you.
That they probably shouldn't keep it.
Yeah.
I know, it's hot. It's already purple.
Oh yeah.
It's positive.
What's your phone?
It's a felony to be in possession of fraudulent driver's licenses and the marijuana vape pen. Okay. So unfortunately, I do have to place you under arrest.
She's in the notes, right?
Yes.
Number 6.
Life is for me. Also, I think it's small and
This case serves as a reminder that occasionally a slight infraction can lead to more serious problems. Events such as these underscore the significance of open communication and legal knowledge. The officer's strategy was well-rounded, providing guidance for the future, as well as accountability.
The female in the notes, she's going to be 10-15 for signal 18.
we're gonna come back to the car. You still have your gloves on. I know she's not wearing my shoes, so you
Yeah, and then her neck.
Yeah, and her earrings.
Yep. Knock off your shoe for me. It's like you almost knew that I was looking in that purse. Right? It's okay, you can be honest.
Yes.
It's not my first day. I know it's here.
I'm not a bad kid.
I know you're not. Here. But I want this to be a lesson for you, okay?
Yes, I'm my first.
Okay. So, and actually even more so of a lesson. You know, it's not our first day on the road, all right? I know, but here's the thing. Now let this be a lesson, okay? You shouldn't have fake IDs, and you should not have THC. In the purse? Well, I'll look. Yeah, like body sprays and stuff like that. But I'll say yeah.
We appreciate your presence at Police Crimes Watch. We'll see you next time with more tales behind the badge. So keep educated and vigilant.